Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about age-related muscle loss called sarcopenia. After the age of 30, we can lose up to 5% of our muscle mass every decade. In fact, most men will lose 30% of their muscle mass in their lifetime. But there's something you can do about it. That's why if you're over 50, today we're going to talk about the top 3 things you need to start doing now to prevent muscle loss. Okay, the top 3 things you need to do to prevent muscle loss. Number 1, I've heard people say that you cannot build muscle when you get into your 40s or 50s. This is just not true. This guy's living proof. At 52 years old, he lost 5% body fat and gained weight in his first 4 weeks on my program. So the first thing I recommend to prevent muscle loss is to do resistance training. Number 2, measure and manage your protein intake. Find out what you're currently consuming, then make changes and monitor results. If you want to gain or maintain muscle, you must eat enough protein. For men, studies suggest consuming 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of lean muscle mass per day. For example, a 175-pound man would need to consume 79 to 103 grams per day. Number 3, spread your protein intake throughout the day. Spreading your meals into several smaller meals throughout the day does 2 things. Firstly, it trains your metabolism to know that food is coming regularly so that the body can maximize digestion of food. And secondly, protein provided to the muscles in regular increments allows maximum protein synthesis for muscle growth. This is exactly what you need as we age. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe because my next video is going to be about time under tension.